I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white nougat easy method. Start by weighing 300 g sugar and 100 g honey, then gently heat until syrup reaches softball stage. Whisk 3 egg whites to stiff peaks while syrup cools slightly. Fold toasted nuts and soften dried fruit into the meringue, then pour the hot syrup slowly while whisking continuously. Transfer to a lined pan, press evenly, cool completely, and slice with a sharp knife. Heat sugar and honey in a heavy saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves and mixture begins to simmer. Clip a candy thermometer and bring syrup to softball stage, about 118 degrees C, then remove from heat. Meanwhile, start whisking egg whites to medium peaks. Slowly drizzle the hot syrup into the whisked whites while continuing to beat until glossy and thick. This forms a stable meringue base essential for classic white nougat. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which saves time by handling crumbs after candy making while you relax. It offers voice control and smart mapping so your kitchen stays tidy without effort. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fold the warm meringue gently to deflate only a little, then add toasted nuts and chopped dried fruit. Work quickly because the nougat will begin to firm as it cools, so spread into the prepared pan with greased hands or oiled spatula. Press the surface flat and top with another sheet of parchment while waiting lightly to ensure even thickness. Chill until firm, then unwrap and cut into bars with a sharp knife.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.